Hi, I'm Helen and I'm a crochet designer. In this tutorial, I will show you how to work the border with Picot edging. Let's get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. Attach a contrasting colour yarn to the top right-hand corner of the blanket. To begin, chain 1. Work 1 double crochet stitch in each stitch to the first corner. Turn to work along the side of the blanket. Work 1 double crochet in the first stitch. Continue to work along the side of the blanket, working 1 double crochet in each double crochet or half treble crochet row, and working 2 double crochet stitches in every treble crochet row, including V-puff stitch, tulip stitch, and V-stitch. Turn to work along the bottom of the blanket. Work 1 double crochet in each stitch across. Continue working around the rest of the blanket and joining with a slip stitch to the first double crochet. Don't be too concerned if you lose or gain a few stitches here. If your blanket lays out nice and flat, then the border will look neat. Slip stitch to join. Chain 1. Work 1 double crochet in each stitch to the next corner. Work 2 double crochets, 1 chain, 2 double crochets in each corner stitch. Continue working around the blanket, working 2 double crochets, 1 chain, 2 double crochets in each corner stitch. Slip stitch to the first stitch to join. All subsequent rounds until you reach the picot edging are worked in half treble crochet. Work 1 half treble crochet in each stitch from the previous round, and 1 half treble crochet, 1 chain, 1 half treble crochet in each of the chain 1 corner spaces. Work as many or as few rounds for the border as desired. To work the picot edging, chain 1. Start by working 1 double crochet in each of the first 5 stitches. chain 3. Slip stitch into the back of the third chain from the hook to create the first picot point. Double crochet in the next 5 stitches, then work the second picot stitch. Repeat along, working 5 double crochet stitches, followed by a chain 3 picot stitch, until you reach the first corner. Work 2 double crochet, chain 3 picot, 2 double crochet in each corner, chain 1 space. Only use this as a guide, and don't worry about having a few more or a few less stitches between picot stitches around the corners. I would recommend ensuring you leave approximately 5 picot-free stitches before and after each corner for neatness. If you enjoyed that video, please leave a like, and we'd love to see your thoughts in the comments. See you for more videos soon. Go to hobbycraft.co.uk to find a new project, book a workshop, or learn a new skill.